Hey guys, welcome back to the Rojas family. And today I'm going to be showing you guys my squishies. All of them here. Like most of them. Hold on, let me go. Shirts, oh my god, I tripped on the table. Hold on, I'm gonna go get some. Okay, now I have all of them. Okay, now all of the squishies were done. Relax, No, you're not gonna get some. My dog. Okay. So, I'll count how many squishies I have, and I just want to count how many squishies I have. So, what should we do, you guys? I hope you guys subscribe, click that notification, and do the thumbs up. If you guys ready to that, or maybe do more videos, and I'll do the videos that you guys asked me to. And my trips. Go. So we are going to do is I'm gonna do the smallest, biggest. The smallest one in here is this one. Smallest one in here is this little cute it's upside down. Little cute sandwich ice cream cone and burps. Oh, so ugly. Well, my dad wants me to get a squishy, so yeah, I got this for my birthday. It's from a Smushy Mushy. Yeah, it has a cute face and it's my face, and it has pink, white, and brown right here. Brown. Okay, so that's the first squishy. Put it right there. That's 6. And then we have this cat squishy. Me and my sister made this, but my sister made it. The back is the horn, and it's orange. Oh, and then you can see the cute little, rainbow one, and it's pink, blue, pink. Not good. Put that one right there. And here is, let's put that over there. Hello? Hold on. Hello. And I have a pig squishy. And right here, it's like uh stop taking my chips. The pig, it's pink and the eyes are out because my cousin coos his nose and did this. And then this one, I have a frog. Ice cream on top of it. It's so cute.
She's right there. Come here. Come here, Elsa. Her name is Elsa. Let's come right to the light.
And I got a nerd bunny. Oh, yeah. And there's
She doesn't really like.
and there's the ears. This is peeling, and you can find the other ear, so it's cute. Okay. Here is a homemade squishy. I made a donut.
And the panda have two big ones is the koala. And
I got like a shy
the
kitten.
panda. And here is like the very soft and my favorite color. And my favorite imaginary thing. And my favorite animal that I like. All the things it's combines what I like. And even the purple. It looks white, but it's actually like purple. And look at that. It's so
Things like this.
but it's actually like a stuffed animal.
Okay. Yeah.
I just wanted to get something from my sister and just got
Guys.
it. I had an open
Cake. But squishy.
that I left over here. Kind of broken.
Hamburger.
Kind of got broken. That's why
Cupcake.
But here is my little pinky thing. I always keep everything in here, like my money.
Banana.
I always keep
Hot dog.
My
Little tiny cake.
sister always keeps everything from me because she's like a more like
got what this animal's called.
More like unkind or like danger things that I would rather be.
And
But I go here.
unicorn boss squishy. Reindeer. Outer space. And unicorn. Poop. And koala. And watermelon. And we're just gonna count how many squishies we have. And I have this big fat squishy. So all of them on top of here. And we're gonna count how many squishies I have. First, we have a hot dog, so that's 1. We got 2, we got 3, we got 4, we got 5, we got 6, we got 7, we got 8, we got 9, we got 10, we got 11, we got 12, we got 13, we got 14, we got 15, we got 16, we got 17, we got 18, we got 19, we got 20, we got 21, we have 22, we have 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Squishies, oh my god. And Thank you guys for watching. 29, 30. Got 30 squishies. Look, my beautiful girl. Guys, if you love her and you love her face, you know what you guys should do? Comment down below and give us 14K. Look at that face, though. I'm trying to make you guys get us. Oh my. No, not 14K. Just comment down below. I'm so sorry. And then like 14K, like 14K. Like, I hope I get $14K dollars. I was talking to my baby. Like, if we get famous, 14K. Okay, bye guys. Love you. Bye.